Here's the app called LoveSpose Remote Connection. So that's the idea, an advanced smart control app that allows partners in different locations to control each other's smart toys through LoveSpose, bringing unique and ultimate experience to you and your partner. You can enjoy pleasure on your own. After scanning and entering the device ID in the app, you'll have access to multiple modes for your experience. You can also share your LoveSpose ID with your partner, but so you can download, register, and log into LoveSpose and become friends in the app. You can remotely control each other's smart toys through the app. So that's basically the idea. It's going viral on TikTok. So obviously you need to have smart toys for this app, and then you can just share it with your partner and control for each other. So this is kind of how the app looks like. I don't know whether it's completely legit or it's just some kind of trick. So here you need to have your device. So you just need to add a device, and so that's just scan the identifier code, and then it should be added. But I don't know, probably obviously you need to buy this uh, toys separately. So here you can see, and then you can just see how you can add a device here, follow prompts, and that's the idea. And obviously you just need to buy them somewhere. I don't know just where to buy it. I don't know why they don't, basically the one thing, they don't have a link to where to buy this, to their shop. So not subscribe. So here you can obviously also subscribe to the app. And so yeah, that's basically the idea in here, how you can use it. Also, there is like a chat, there is a community, there is a chat with friends. You can also ask there for the customer service. And so yeah, that's the idea. Kind of getting some traction. And yeah, so try it out. So that's where it is.